Pump it. You so vibey, you so vibe, you so vibey. She so vibey, she so vibe, she so vibey. Yeah, 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 yeah. She so vibey, she so vibe, she's.
Hi everyone, Petalisbless here. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today. This is a pre-recorded video that I did. I recorded it last week, but then I got sick, so I didn't get to do my voiceover and put it out to YouTube. For all of you that didn't know, I was a little under the weather. Okay, a lot under the weather, and I ended up in the hospital for about 7 days. But now I'm out and all better with the meds and everything. And to those who do follow me on Instagram and knew that I was sick, thank you so much for all your well wishes and prayers. I really appreciate it. All right, let's get into the items that we'll be using for this DIY. Okay, we have some mirrors here from the Dollar Tree. And we have these wood leaf. We have some crushed glass. We have some paint here, and we have these leafings, silver leafings, and we have our gems that we have here, and we also have some popsicle sticks. All right, everyone, let's get started. Okay, we're gonna start by painting our leaves with silver acrylic paint. And I'll just be doing about 1 coat of paint on all the leaves.
There's no way that I can do this all by myself. You stay on my mind.
And now I have these 2 leaves here, and I've painted all of them and they're all dry and nice here. But these 2 shapes here, I'll be putting the crushed glass with some Mod Podge on them. And when our Mod Podge is dry, I will be going over with 1 more coat to help seal in the crushed glass. And now with the rest of our leaves that we've painted, I am going to place this metallic leaf on it along with some Mod Podge. So I'm just gonna rub the Mod Podge everywhere and then place the metallic leaves everywhere. So I guess you would call this silver leafing. I know when you use the gold one they call it gold leafing, and I'm using silver, so I guess it's silver leafing. Correct me if I'm wrong. And now that we're all finished, I'll be placing some of these gems on the leaves, the small gems that you can get at Walmart. I'm just using some hot glue and placing them on our leaves. She's so vibe, she's so vibey. I'm so vibey, I'm so vibing, we're just vibing. Yeah, we're just vibing. We're just vibing. Now we have the mirrors from Dollar Tree, which these are the smaller mirrors that they have now because they did downsize them. So I did remove the tabs from all the back of the mirrors and a little piece of white tape also. And I'm just figuring out a design that I will be placing our mirror design in. Alright, so I'm going to use some E6000 and some hot glue and join our pieces together. I just have this flower here because I was showing through the mirrors and I didn't realize it. And your girl was just a hot mess. So I didn't want you guys to see that. Anyways, now we're going to use some popsicle sticks and give the extra support to our mirror. So you just cut down the size that you need within the space and using some hot glue to put them together so we have extra support for our mirrors at the back. And now we're going to be adding 2 more mirrors going the other way, which I'm placing these popsicle sticks just to give it a little support so it's on the same level as the mirrors. Again, E6000 and hot glue. And then again with the popsicle sticks for added support. To help keep our structure nice and firm together so our mirrors don't fall apart when we take it up. And you should let the mirrors dry for about 40 minutes, the E6000. Let them set in place for about 40 minutes before you lift it up. I don't want it to fall apart on you guys. So give the glue some time to set. And now we turn it over to the other side, which I still have my support sticks down. And I will be using some of my bling wrap from Totally Dazzled, going right around the edge because where the mirrors meet I could see the glue. So I'm just gonna use some I'm just gonna use some hot glue and glue the bling wrap going right around just the center mirror only. And here we go. Next we are going to add our gold leaves to our structure. So the ones with the crushed glass I'm placing in the middle. And then the ones with the the ones with the silver leafing, I'll just be placing on the other mirrors. And I'm using just some hot glue to glue it down. And again, you can use any adhesive that you would like to glue your pieces together. And here is one of our finished pieces. I think it looks so nice. And here I'm just showing you how I hang them up on the wall. I use the large command strips and I use 2 on each piece. I like to use it for extra support. And here we go with them hanging up on the wall. I think they look very nice. They look super cute. A lovely piece of wall decor for your home, for your fall decor. Fall 29 is in season now. And it's a nice little piece of decor. I put them by my entry door right here, and I think they look lovely. I love mirror decor. I think it just brightens up your home and gives it a nice, beautiful and elegant look. And I like how the leafing, the silver leafing, turned out on the leaves. The silver metallic leafing, I think it looks very nice. And the crushed glass in the center with the bling rhinestones. I think they all tied in very nice together for a lovely piece of fall decor for your home. And of course it can stay up all season, not just for fall. And you can place it anywhere throughout your home, in your office. Yeah, it's a lovely piece of wall decor. Using items from the Dollar Tree. Yes. And the dollar store. Alright everyone, tell me what you think of our mirrored glass decor that I did to share with you guys. Tell me what you think about it. Leave a comment down below and tell me if you like this glam piece of wall art decor. And once again, thank you so much for everyone who took the time to send me wishes, well wishes, and prayers. And I am feeling much better, and I will be getting back to my DIYs. And I have some wig reviews to put out for you guys too, and some more DIYs. And like I said, I had pre-recorded this one. I just didn't get around to finish editing it. So now I'm home, so that's what I'm doing and putting it out to share with you guys. And once again, thank you so much. And as always, stay blessed from Petalisbless. Bye-bye, everyone.